Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 5th of November, Tuesday, and today was definitely another fun day in the markets. We had a pretty large gap down followed by a little bit of lower action and then a large rise. So very interesting day. Today we had 3 trades and pulled 4.25 points out of the markets. So not too bad on the day. Our first trade happened right over here. We did grab a short, which we did take some profit on down here, and then we turned that into a long over here. Took a little profit on that, and then it just took off to the upside, which was very interesting. And then we decided to go long over here, which we ended up taking some profit on once it did come up a little higher. So, not too bad on the day. 3 trades, we pulled 4.25 points out. And that's really what I try to preach. I try to teach the coaching clients, and with the people in the trading room, less is definitely more. Today we made 3 trades. I don't want to take a lot of trades. The more trades you take, the more commissions that you're going to have to spend. So taking the least amount of trades is the best, I think. Of course some trades I'm going to miss, like this entire move here. I was not expecting it to come up that much, and it was very interesting to see that it did that. And sometimes that's going to happen. Trading is basically a judgment. Judgment calls are everywhere. Of course, you have setups that you look for, and it makes the judgment a little bit less of a judgment because they're setups that you look for. They happen in the market, and when they do, I'd like to be a part of it. I don't take every single setup I see, but I take the ones that I think are the best. And they turn out fairly well so far for me. For the trading room and the stats in the trading room, it has turned out fairly well. And I definitely go over that, in the trading courses and when I coach people, what I look for, what setups I like to take, which ones that I would, probably not take, and the more aggressive setups and more conservative setups. And that's really what every trader should have. Sometimes it is good to be aggressive in the markets, and other times it's really not good to be aggressive in the markets. And it's easy to learn, and I say easy. It's depending on what type of baggage you bring into trading. It's going to take a little bit longer to learn. But the concepts are pretty simple, pretty basic, and it won't take a long time to learn. Trading is, a lot of people say it's an easy way to make a hard living. It's depends on how you look at it. But that statement comes from, you're going to take losses in the market, and you have to embrace them when they happen. Because obviously something is wrong. We have misjudged the markets. We took a loss. And to be able to learn from that and then grow as a trader. And that's really, I think, what trading is all about. So anyway, hopefully I made sense. Hopefully you got something out of what I talked about today. You can always leave comments below if you want. You can also email me directly. A lot of people like to do that, and it doesn't matter to me how you ask the question, or make a suggestion, or whatever you want to do, as long as you ask. And there's no such thing as a dumb question. My email address is support@businesswithtrading.com. Feel free to email me any question, suggestion, comment, feedback, anything. Hey Matt, I hate the candle colors. Anything. It's all constructive. So feel free to do that. Thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.